Allahu 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 Allah Allahu 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 Allah.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am presenting and showing that how soil is formed. Soil is formed from humus, sand, clay, silt and pebbles. First I want to tell about humus. Humus is made up of dead and decayed animals and plants make humus. Humus maintains fertility of soil and also helps in growth of plants. Now second is clayey soil. The clayey soil contains fine particles which absorb water and becomes hard when drying. Clay is formed when the decomposition of rocks take place. Now the third one is sandy soil. The sandy soil contains fine particles which loses water. You can observe from magnifying lens that the sandy soil contains sharp edges. The fourth one is pebbles. The soil also contains pebbles. The pebbles are small stones which are in the soil and makes the soil fertile and which doesn't contain any mineral but are there in the soil. This how the soil is made up of. Jazakallah.
Wait, I want to ask some questions.
Yes.
Will you answer?
Yes.
What is that humus?
Humus is dead remains of plants and animals.
Okay. And clay soil, it is
Yes.
used by potters. Why they use clay soil?
Because clay soil becomes hard when we put water and after some time it becomes hard, and when we burn that soil it becomes very hard and we can use as pot.
What is the main content of that clay soil due to that potters use it?
Because it contains very fine particles and it contains very some air. It's not much air.
Okay, good.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My topic is that soil holds air. Soil has spaces between its particles. The spaces between its particles are called pore spaces. In that it holds air. It holds air. The plants, it holds air, and the air is used by the microorganisms which live in the plant, which live in the soil. Plant roots also use the air which is in the pore spaces. To prove this, I am going to do an activity. I am going to put the sandy soil in water and I will show you that how it is having air. Can you see some bubbles are coming out? This proves that the soil contains air. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sulaim Razvi and now today I will present you what is soil profile. Soil is not just that we see on the surface. It extends through fits below the earth's surface. And each distinct layer is called soil horizons. Do you know there are how many main different layers of soil? No? I will tell you. There are maybe 3 different horizons of soil. Horizon A, horizon B and horizon C. Horizon A. The soil is the uppermost layer of the soil. It is rich in humus. Here, it is rich in humus. It contains silt, pebbles, stones and etc. Horizon A supports many varieties of plants. This region is full of roots. Now we will move to horizon B. Horizon B is the second layer of the soil. Compared to the horizon A, it's very hard. It contains mostly pebbles. You can see there is pebbles in horizon C. This is the subsoil. It's also called the subsoil. In horizon, it's the storage of minerals because minerals from the horizon A reach to the subsoil. Horizon C is the last layer of the soil. It contains mostly large rocks. It's the hardest surface of the rocks. Hardly any root can penetrate this soil. Now I have to ask you some questions. as you understand it or not. Which soil horizon is rich in humus? Yes, Kashif? Horizon A. Very good. Which horizon is also called the subsoil? Aman, what is the B? Okay. Which soil is the home of many living organisms? Horizon A. Right.